Everyone's out from Boston. It is 7:33 right now on the 30th of November. I wanted to just talk about today and some of the stuff that we saw in terms of price and stuff. So right now, the price is at 34.27, and this is after hours, of course, here at 7:31 in Boston Eastern Standard Time. And I know a lot of stuff has happened. I know a lot of people freaked out, and we even had some institutions sell off, but we gained more than we lost. And I want to show you what I'm talking about. Um, so the first thing I want to do is I want to show you guys the Bloomberg terminal, and just so you understand a couple things. Let's do that right now. And let me just change the screen. Here we go. Okay. So this is the Bloomberg terminal. I think you guys can see it, I hope. So the first thing I want you to notice is the increase right here. Yesterday, actually 2 days ago, 26% increase in AMC positions. That is institutional positions, right? Everything is green across the board, including one little nugget right here. Number of sellers went from 70 to 72. I thought that was interesting, so I kind of dug in deep for that. Current holders, and it's one fund that is responsible. They're down here, 1129. That was them right here. It's let's see, where is it? 1129, 1130. So it's these two funds right here. They've panic sold on the 29th and on the 30th, 236,000 shares, and this company right here is 2,000 shares. So that's where we're seeing some of the fallout. These two guys panicked because of the Corona thing, and they just punched smoke. They pop smoke. It's Nationwide, who is not on our side apparently, and Wisdom Tree Investments. Who the hell knows who they are? But Nationwide, if you have Nationwide, get rid of them. They're paper handers. They suck. I was not impressed by paper handing Nationwide. So that being said, that's what we saw. But for the most part, listen, we had increases, and really good increases. You'll notice that the institutions went up, and let's find out who those institutions are. Let me see, where is it? Is it right? This one? Yes, right here. Boom. Giant U.S. pension bought AMC, Snowflake, and Tilray. All right, the second largest public pension fund in assets in the United States of America increased in stake in one of the most volatile stocks and initiated a position in a marijuana grower and trimmed its exposure to Warren Buffett. Okay, let's think about this for a sec. So they increased on Tilray, right? The California State Teachers Retirement System bought more shares of a movie theater chain, AMC, and analytics software Snowflake, and acquired shares of the cannabis producer Tilray, and reduced its holdings in Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett. What does that tell you about AMC and its potential when the second largest public pension fund in the nation exits out of Berkshire Hathaway and buys AMC? We have people in this community that are freaking out, right? They're scared. They're paper handing. They want a paper hand. They're thinking about it. But yet, the second largest pension fund in the nation, a teachers fund out of California, buys Tilray and Snowflake, and dumps, Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway. What does that tell us? It tells us these guys, Berkshire Hathaway and the traditional, value investors, are not very valuable at the moment, and we are in the spotlight. Let me tell you something. This is huge. You should have a boost of confidence now, because that is huge. People don't, I know we tend to, in this community, gravitate towards the negative, the dark, blah, 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 this, that, and the other. Let me tell you, this should radicalize your confidence, people. This is huge. These people would not spend billions or whatever, millions of dollars into a fund like this unless they were so confident they were going to get a return. They were hedging their losses and their bets by buying AMC. Okay. That being said, okay, we took a hit today, and we know why. It's the Enron virus, or the hell is Emcron, and those two clowns, the institutions, Nationwide and the other one, Wisdom Tree. Not very smart, not very wise on them, and that's okay. Not a huge deal, right? And that being said, you have nothing to worry about. There's no stress. You shouldn't price watch all the time. Be hyper vigilant and try to, predict it every half hour. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go up? You'll drive yourself crazy. I know people tend to do that. But if it gives you any comfort, and I hope it does, know that we are killing it right now. Even though the price is small, it's gone down a little bit. It's a little bit smaller than it was yesterday, the day before. We have confidence that the rest of the world is going to see it. And if you notice, some of the short interest has gone down. Why is that? Why? Because they don't want everyone jumping in. Think about it. The second largest pension fund buys innocuously AMC, and that's going to raise eyebrows. And all of a sudden, people are going to look, hey, what's going on here? They're going to start asking questions. They're going to start peeking their nose in. Ken Griffin does not want more people in this place, especially institutions that have crazy money, right? So what does that tell you? He's scared shitless right now. And with the volatile market, with the way it is, everything across the blue chips have gone down, and it's just a matter of time for one of the smaller hedge funds breaks. So, this might be a great Christmas after all. It might be very, very good. In fact, it might be a very cold winter for the hedge funds. So listen, if you need confidence, remember this article. It's on Barron's. Just type in AMC on Barron's and you'll find it's the very first article. We are doing great things. We're going to continue to do great things. Have confidence. If you need some, borrow some of mine. Al from Boston, signing out. Bye.